Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at our market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for Wednesday, July 2nd, 2014. Got a little bit of a bias to the buy side here on the Nasdaq side, but it's not as good as you would think it would be with Nasdaq breaking out to a new high. So I think that's the theme of the day here. We've got a volume bump in Baidu and also one in Netflix. Netflix is just exploding today. We do have a couple of RPS situations. We've got one in Win, but that one's on light volume. We do have a decent looking one in Adobe that's on good volume. So I'd definitely be focusing on those for tomorrow. Moving on to the financials, no bias here. We've got as many buys as sells. No volume bumps outright, but we may qualify for one in MasterCard, which also has an upside CPS, so that could be interesting. Some more weakness today in ICE. ICE is also weak again today. Bank of America, BAC, strong day with upside CPS. As far as the energy names goes, got a couple things on both sides here, but no nothing definitive. Valero, a lot of volume. Chesapeake CHK has a pretty good downside day, going 1.5% below the day's open on decent volume. In BTU as a downside CPS. As far as the generals go, not a lot of confirmation here from the strong day that we're having. Got a volume bump in John Deere and also one in IBM. IBM's having a banner day, up just a little less than 3%. Moving on to the housing names, got a buy, CPS buy in Toll Brothers, and Hovnanian has an upside RPS, but that one's on light volume. Big day today in DHI, that's 2.5% above the day's open on good volume. CSX and UNP both have upside CPS conditions, and United Parcel UPS has a downside contra candle. That one's on real light volume. As far as the commodities go, a little bit to the downside here. We've got a downside CPS in Alcoa, also one in Arch, ACH, coal, and also Monsanto. So you can see none of the precious metals names right now are flashing exhaustion warnings. ACH has a volume bump, as does US Steel Letter X. Alright folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.